All right, someone suggested that we rip the UDR out here in the Texas icy snow. So let's go see how this works. Yeah, it is slidey. Oh yeah. Oh, I barely missed that tree. Oh, we got stuck right there. Do we actually have snow over here? Yeah, we do. Wow. For once, it's not just ice. It's warmed up to the snow now. Oh yeah, doing some circles. Oh, we're just skirting the whole way over there. I think I got a little jump back, ice jump. Let's see if we can get a good spinner going right here. For a second. Okay, snow. This is actual snow, guys. Not just ice. And it's starting to warm up out here. Oh, that's ice. That's snow. There we go, baby. See, there's a little bit of a hump right here. I don't think we'll get anything, but probably some good slides. This is fun so far. Thank you for suggesting the UDR. It's turned into snow, boys. Look at these 18-foot deep ruts right here, guys. And I got some snow in my boots from getting one of those shots. The good old twisty in the driveway. Am I just front wheel drive now? Oh yeah. I was. I think that pin just came out right there. Okay, we can just go put that pin back in and we're good to go. All right, not even 5 minutes later, pin back installed. Let's get back at it. The drive shaft gets so hot. Orbital speed. Yeah, man. Let's go see about this ice up here today. Not the mailbox. Oh yeah, looks like we got some ice right here. Oh, that's slush. This road is icy though. We found some slush over here on this abandoned house, but it looks like it's actually slush today. Yeah, it's slush. It's just slushy. Slushy. Over. Ooh, slush. Drifting all the way down the road. Dang, this is fun. Almost just slipped. Oh, we're in the road ditch. Oh, we're good. So you come at it fast and hit the road ditch. Full pin. Full pin. That was a full trigger hold down. Oh, that's a culvert. Ooh, hit a soft spot. Or like one of the comments that said, this is the first time I've ever seen y'all actually try to drive an RC. This is fun. Oh yeah. Hello. No TSM. Just burning the tires, full throttle. I will have to admit, after driving a bunch of cars in the snowy ice, or icy snow, the UDR is by far my favorite. I'm just surprised the batteries have lasted this long. Little jumpy poop, not too much. Big snow drift right there. There we go, low power mode. We've been working this truck, trying to get it to low power mode. All right, let's get it back in the house. This is so much fun, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed that.